Hi savers, you can now withdraw from the HaloFi legacy platform by pasting your wallet address, clicking on show challenges, and you're going to see all the challenges you've participated in on HaloFi. You would see the one you've withdrawn from and you will see the one you haven't. Please note that this is only valid as at the time of the snapshot. So if you've withdrawn in the past few days, you should take that into consideration. We'll be withdrawing on Celoscan, on Polygon scan, or on Basescan, depending on where you have your funds. So now that we've opened the tabs, let's get into withdrawing from the different blockchain. So for Celoscan, you just need to click on contract, click on write contract, and connect your wallet and connect to MetaMask or any wallet of your choice. And then after you've connected, you need to scroll down to number 15 and click on withdraw, write 0 as the amount and click on write. You will need to confirm the transaction on your wallet, and once you confirm the transaction, it will be approved and your funds will be withdrawn to your wallet immediately. You can see the transaction and also click on view your transaction right next to the right function, and you would see the transaction details. And so here is how you withdraw your funds from HaloFi challenges using the Block Explorer. The same process applies when you're withdrawing from Polygon Scan. You just need to follow the same process over and your transaction will be approved immediately. And you can also view your transaction and the details of the transaction. And if you want to withdraw from the Basescan, you just have to go through the same process. We want to make sure that you do not get locked out of your fund, which is why we've created this legacy support so you don't get locked out of your fund anytime. Please make sure to withdraw your funds from HaloFi if you haven't, and let us know if you have any question. Thank you.